Hello and welcome to today's Hindu newspaper analysis of the Delhi edition from the front page. Okay. Uh, Russia says some troops pulling back from areas near Ukraine. Okay. But military exercise to continue, Putin says. Okay. Ready to work further. Ready to work further with the West. Okay. With the West. Russia said on Russia said on Tuesday some its military units were returning to their bases after exercising near Ukraine following days of US and British warnings that Moscow might invade its neighborhood at any time. It is not clear how many units were being withdrawn and why what what distance after a build-up of an estimated thousand one lakh 30,000 Russian troops to the north, east and south of the Ukraine. We have always said that troops will return to their bases after exercises are over. Okay, Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov said. The development drew a cautious response from Ukraine. Foreign Minister said India advises its citizens to leave Ukraine temporarily. भारत ने यूक्रेन में बसे हुए लोगों से कहा है कि वो कुछ समय के लिए यूक्रेन को छोड़ दें क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ टिक मेजर क्राइसिस बिटवीन द यूक्रेन एंड द रसिया. इंडिया ऑन ट्यूजडे एडवाइज्ड इट्स सिटीजन्स इन यूक्रेन particularly students to temporarily leave the country in view of the escalating military tensions with the Russia. समझ गए. In the view of the uncertainties of the current situation in Ukraine, Indian nationals in Ukraine, particularly students, those whose stay in is not essential may consider leaving temporarily. The Indian embassy in Q said in an advisory. It urged Indian nationals to avoid all non-essential travels to and within Ukraine. Indian nationals should keep the mission informed about their location so that they could be contracted in case required, the embassy said. कुल मिलाकर इसका हिंदी में जिस्ट इस आर्टिकल का यह है कि भारत ने आग्रह किया है यूक्रेन भारत ने उन विद्यार्थियों से उन लोगों से आग्रह किया है जो यूक्रेन में पढ़ रहे हैं या बसे हुए हैं कुछ समय के लिए उसको खाली कर दें यूक्रेन को. ठीक, तो दिस इज द मेजर जिस्ट ऑफ दिस हिंदी आर्टिकल्स. ओके. एसएडी बीजेपी प्रोमिसेस 75% रिजर्वेशन फॉर पंजाब. द शिरोमणि अकाली दल एंड द बहुजन समाजवादी पार्टी अलायंस मतलब गठबंधन होता है इन पंजाब ऑन ट्यूजडे रिलीज्ड इस मैनिफेस्टो फॉर द असेंबली इलेक्शन. promising 75 reservation to Punjab in government and private jobs. Besides a number of free wage माने होता है लालच देना, फ्री के लालच, if elected to power. और शिरोमणि अकाली दल और बहुजन समाजवादी पार्टी ने पंजाब में कहा है कि अगर उनकी सरकार आती है तो वो 75% गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय में, गवर्नमेंट जॉब में रिजर्वेशन दे देंगी, जो कि अभी भी काफ़ी राज्यों में विवाद चल रहा है. लास्ट क्लास में मैंने डिस्कस किया था, जो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकता है फंडामेंटल राइट्स वगैरह को. सुप्रीम कोर्ट टू हियर प्ली ऑन हु कंट्रोल्स सर्विसेज इन दिल्ली. चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ एन वी रमन्ना ऑन ट्यूजडे शेड्यूल्ड फॉर मार्च 30 लीगल टसल मतलब कन्फ्लिक्ट, टसल मतलब मुठभेड़, between the center and the Delhi government on which of them actually exerts administrative control over bureaucracy and services in the national capitals. बिल्कुल ठीक है, हमेशा दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के बीच में इस बात की बहस ताक होती रहती है, नोकझोंक होती रहती है, कौन कंट्रोल करेगा. एक्सपोर्ट्स राइज 25% टू $32.5 billion in January. Gold imports fall sharply to just $2.4 billion. Trade deficit reaches $17.4 billion. What is crux of this article? Big leap. India's merchandise exports increased by 25.3% year on 1 year to $34.5 billion in January 2022. Merchandise imports are estimated to be $51.9 billion with the growth rate of 23.5%. Biggest factor. लालू कन्विक्टेड इन धरौंदा ट्रेजरी केस. दूसरे भी चारा केस में आ गए. इंडियाज स्लैम्स कम्युनल माइंडसेट ऑफ OIC ओवर रिमार्क्स ऑन हिजाब रो. इस्लामिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ ओके, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इस्लामिक कंट्रीज है जिसने भी कुछ शब्द बोले हैं चूँकि हिजाब पे। इस्लामिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आस्क्ड यूएन टू टेक नेसेसरी मेजर्स। इस्लामिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कह रहा है यूएन से कुछ आप मेजर लीजिए। इंडिया ऑन ट्यूजडे हिट आउट at the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, saying it was hijacked by vested interest. Issues in India are considered and resolved in accordance with our constitutional framework and mechanism as well as democratic ethos and polity. The communal mindset of the OIC Secretariat does not allow for a proper appreciation of these realities. Okay, the OIC on Monday called upon the UN and the Human Rights Council to take necessary measures following reports of Muslim students being prevented from bearing hijab in Karnataka, particularly in India. The OIC General Secretariat further urges India to ensure the safety, security, and well-being of human Muslim community while protecting the way of life of its members, and to bring instigators and perpetrators of the act violence have crimes against them to justice, it said in a statement. Pakistan, a leading member of OIC, had criticized the development कर्नाटका। ऑब्वियस करेगा, मतलब यह है कि इसका मेन मतलब यह है कि पाकिस्तान ने अपने संगठन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इस्लामिक कंट्रीज के माध्यम से यूएन से कुछ रिक्वेस्ट की है कि वो भारत में हो रहे मुसलमानों के खिलाफ इस प्रकार की कार्रवाई को रोके। आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर्स वारंट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एक्शन, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हियर और लीगल टसल ओवर सर्विसेज ऑन मार्च 30। दिल्ली सिटी से रिलेटेड कहानी है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। ओके, क्राउड फंडिंग पोर्टल अवेट्स CSR पुश, व्हाट इज दिस and why this important? Lack of tax benefit has kept many from extending supports for treatment of patients with rare diseases. What is crux of this article? Waiting in vain for his treatment to begin at the capital's Maulana Azad Medical College, 20-month-old Rohit Tiwari succumbed to MAMC is one of the 8 institutions in the country identified as Center of Excellence for Treatment of Rare Diseases. Rohit died on January 3, but his name still appears on the official data. Cases filing of betting into the not important. Deep Singh Sidhu accused in Red Fort. Okay, accused in Red Fort violence case dies in accident. Oh, दीप सिंधु वही केस है जिसने लाल किला पर लास्ट ईयर जो झंडा फहराया था खालिस्तान का, वही दीप सिंह सिद्धू है, लेकिन अचानक किसी घटना में मारा गया। He was in jail for over 2 months before being granted bail. Actor and activist Deep Singh Sidhu, accused of being the key conspirators in the Red Fort violence on Republic Day last year, died in a road accident on Kundi Manesar. Okay, the 37-year-old Punjabi actor was said to be traveling from Delhi to Punjab when the accident occurred. Accident हुआ है। TV visuals showed in white SUV badly damaged on the driver's side after it rammed into the stationary truck. Not important. आम आदमी पार्टी tenure a period of destruction for city. BJP leaders hit out at Delhi government for poor गवर्नेंस हेड ऑफ सिविक फॉल्स। बीजेपी हमेशा क्रिटिसाइज करती है दिल्ली आम आदमी पार्टी गवर्नमेंट को। स्टेट्स, चिराग पासवान डिटेंड इन पटना। वाई चिराग पासवान? ओके, स्मगलिंग चैलेंज फॉर BSF। ए बोटल कॉस्ट अबाउट ₹200 in India and faces a lot more in Bangladesh. What is crux? Despite the drop in cattle smuggling and other narcotics for the border guarding forces along with India-Bangladesh border on February 14, personnel of border security forces arrested 2 youths for allegedly smuggling near Hakimpur border outpost in West Bengal North 24 Pargana district. Network developed. Okay, high price. Okay, high prices and campaign pamphlets to bring goodies and is not most important. 7 साल बेमिसाल, this ad is given by okay आम आदमी पार्टी गवर्नमेंट. इंडिया हैज पॉजिटिव सेकुलरिज्म, पिटिशनर्स टेल कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट. क्या कह रहे हैं? हियर द स्टेट प्लेज एन इनेबलर रोल फॉर रिलीजियस फ्रीडम ऑफ ऑल कम्युनिटीज. ओके, द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफर्स पॉजिटिव सेकुलरिज्म. ओके, एक सकारात्मक धर्मनिरपेक्ष, अनलाइक तुर्की विच हैज निगेटिव सेकुलरिज्म. ओके, वेयर state says that nobody can display their religious identity in public and the ban on the hijab in public places are upheld by the constitutional courts there. It was argued before High Court of Karnataka on Tuesday. The constitution of Turkey is completely different from our secularism is positive, where the states plays an enabler role for the exercises of the fundamental rights and the religious freedom of all communities. We recognize all religion as true, argued senior advocate Devdutt Kamath, appearing for 2 students who have questioned restrictions on wearing hijab in classroom. Citing his judgment of the Supreme Court before a 3-judge bench headed by Chief Justice Rituraj Avasthi, it was contended by Mr. Kamath the Indian interpretation of secularism stems from the Vedic percept of Sarvadharma Shambhav, and the Supreme Court has observed the Indian secularism is susceptible to a positive meaning, that is developing an understanding and respecting towards different religions. Meanwhile, senior advocate Ravi Verma Kumar, appearing for some of the petitioners, contended that at present state government has not prescribed any uniform for a student as the matter has been referred to a high level committee. समझ गए? मैटर को हाई लेवल कमेटी को रिफर कर दिया गया है. While contending that there is no order on banning hijab at present, Mr. Kumar argued that college development committee are non-existing bodies and extra legal authorities which were allowed to prescribe uniform contrary to the scheme of the Karnataka Education Act 1983. No restriction on hijab in degree college minister. Students free to wear dress of choice. बिल्कुल ठीक. Jalil to return Quran copies provided by UAE consulate. Survivor actor 6 time to implead in assault case. Shashikala yet to announce her pole position. Ready for a debate with KCR on Modi government. Kishan Reddy. Power sector reforms. Telangana Rashtra Samiti, also known as TRS, hits back at BJP. Police officer found owing BMW. Echoes of farmers still refuse to die down in the UP village. Navreet mothers Paramjit Kaur and uncle Indresh Singh in Diva. समझ गए? Supreme Court starts examining whether 1 year quota please need to be referred to a larger bench. Rajasthan begins exercise to frame new energy policy. Editorial section पे बढ़ते हैं तुरंत. The pathology of school closure in India. The pathology of school closure in India. What is pathology and school closure in India? Scientific evidence supporters a complete reopening analyzing the root causes will guide future policy interventions. Policy interventions. What is crux of this article? In the last 2 years, India has achieved the dubious distinction of becoming the country with the second longest COVID-19 pandemic linked school closure in the world. Next only to Uganda, according to a United Nations report, it is an estimated 82 weeks with some okay intermittent classes in between. Much has been said, written, and publicized about about the impact of school closure on learning loss. However, there has been very limited discourse on why, in spite of scientific evidence to support to reopening, Indian states continue to remain reluctant to reopen schools. Analyzing the root causes of school closure in India is an urgent need to drive lessons and to guide future policy interventions. The bane of misinformation. Why ban is compulsory on misinformation? To start with, one of the biggest reasons for continued school closures has been widespread misinformation. Unsubstantiated statements such as the third wave would affect children and let's bet for vaccination of kids before reopening schools were made by influential individuals and amplified social media platforms. These these scared parents linked school reopening with COVID-19 vaccination of children. Okay, occasion occasional reports of children being hospitalized in different part of the world. Okay, but on loop on television channels, sensationalizing the matter while it boosted their their target rating point. It harmed okay hapless children. To opinion of small section of privileged parents and self-proclaimed representatives of their association often not only fully understand the complexity of the issue dominated and revealed in the mainstream discourse. The survey had indicated that poor and middle class parents, no matter which part of the country they were from, okay, wanted school to be open. They were largely ignored in decision making, which was also influenced by okay sensational newspapers reports and high pitched TV debates. Many experts on everything appeared on television channel with the argument let's okay on the side of caution. Every time privileges parents or an expert on everything spoke, they derived children from poor and marginalized background of their opportunity of and right education. Okay, first, gaps to have limited education as hope. Okay, adopt Perry is sufficient. Is setting right next move to another article. Setting right the focal point of J and K tribes. What is crux of this article? It must include economic and social empowerment, implementation of forest rights, and women's participation. What is crux of this article? Only crux. Only need to crux. Jammu and Kashmir Delimitation Commission has recently said its interim report with the five associate members, okay, the elected members of the parliament from the erstwhile state. It has caused debate across the various regions of what is now union territory, with most parties expressing their reservation and disappointment. The interim report has proposed an increase of 6 seats in the Jammu province and 1 seat in the Kashmir province, though it does not claim to treat the whole UT one unit for seat distribution. One of the silent features of the report is proposed reservation of the 9 seats for scheduled tribes. It is for the first time that the seats have been reserved for the ST community in the Legislative Assembly of J&K. The communication has also proposed reserving 7 seats for scheduled caste. In the erstwhile Legislative Assembly, there were also 7 seats reserved for the scheduled caste, but there was no such reservation for ST category. This denial of constitutionality granted reservation under Article 332, okay, post 1991 when four communities, that is Gujjar, Bakharwal, okay, and Gaddis and Sippis were granted ST status in pointer to harsh, okay, harsh reality that discriminated has largely been deliberate. The presence of Article 370 has often been given as a reason for absence of reservation for the tribal in Jammu and Kashmir. This is okay untrue. A lack of political will, nothing in Article 370 has prevented the provision of the political reservation to ST extension of the Forest Right Act 2006 to J&K. Over the years, many features of the Constitution of India and many law were extended to J&K. Further, Supreme Court in J&K, okay, had reservation even before the dilution of Article 370, and it was provided under the J&K Constitution. All major political parties used to promise, okay, these rights before elections, but there was a lack of political will. Okay, during Ghulam Nabi Azad tenure as a chief minister, a proposal was made in 2007. Okay, 2007 introduced bill in assembly to ensure these political rights. Okay, political rights, but nothing materialized. This lack of political will stemmed from an unwillingness to share powers with group ethnically and culturally different from both Dogras and the Kashmiris, the two predominant power in Jammu and Kashmir. Supreme Court reservation, sorry, the SC reservation, not Supreme Court. Scheduled caste reservation, on the other hand, had at least ensured that the power still remained within the ethnic group as far as Dongra leaders were concerned. Okay, for Kashmir leaders, it meant that seats reserved but drawn from the Jammu division and not for the valley. The denial of the political reservation and the absence of the forest right had and act essentially became a bargaining tool. Bailey based parties were not in favor of political reservation, and those Jammu based were against the Forest Right Act. It one side argued for forest and legal land rights. The other side would oppose it with the political reservation issue. Okay, the end result was the continued subjugation and dispowerment of the scheduled caste in J&K. The dilution of the Article 370 on 5 August 2019 and the subsequent Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019, okay, changed political dynamics in the region. और 370 के समाप्ति के बाद 370 की समाप्ति 5 अगस्त 2019 को हो गई थी, क्योंकि 5 अगस्त 2019 को भारत सरकार के द्वारा एक नया जम्मू कश्मीर पुनर्अधिनियम लेकर आया गया था। ओके, जो कई क्षेत्र में कई बदलती चुनौतियों को पेश करता है। एज फार एज ट्राइबल आर कंसर्न्ड, इट प्रोमिस्ड देम पॉलिटिकल रिजर्वेशन अंडर आर्टिकल 332 okay, and led to the extension of the Forest Rights Act 2006. Essentially, it has changed the nature of tribal politics in J&K as well, okay, which had largely centered around these two major objectives. Okay, constitutional safeguards and protections are meant to an end, not the end in itself. In the rest of India, political reservation, both the Lok Sabha and the Legislative Assembly, has been in the place since the time of the Constitution has come into force. The Forest Right Act has been in place for around 17 years. A tribal's constituency, okay, continued to be socially disempowered and economically deprived. The focus of the tribal politics, okay, has to shift towards the economic and social empowerment of tribal communities with a special focus on effective implementation of welfare schemes and policies for scheduled tribes in Jammu and Kashmir state of the country. Implementation of the Forest Right Act has to be major resources, okay, as it has potential significantly empower these communities. Okay, on political relevance, what is political relevance of this article with reference to Jammu and Kashmir state of India? The political mobilization of states. The political mobilization of states began many years ago, and the interim report has thrown up new challenges before scheduled tribes, okay, than merely empowering them. It is now a reality that the seats would be reserved for scheduled tribes, but it hardly changed the ground reality. Even without reservation through community mobilization, in 2014 elections, 9 Gurjar candidates won the assembly elections. But okay, Gujars, but as they were from different parties, they were unable to present a united front and ensure tribal issues were not neglected. It will not change after reservation unless there is an awareness and conscientious attempt by the leadership to prioritize tribal interests over many parties politics. The interim report has reserved the interim report has reserved 6 out of the 9 ST seats with the twin district of Rajouri and Poonch constitute 32.06% okay टोटल पॉपुलेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू 2011. समझ गए, केवल पूंछ और राजौरी के क्षेत्र में 32.06% ओके पॉपुलेशन शेड्यूल ट्राइब की रहती है 2011 के अनुसार. द अदर रिजर्व सीट 3 एंड इन अनंतनाग ओके गंडेरबाल and the Bandipur tendency to tribal politics to Rajouri and Poonch is the extension of the past practice, though the reality is more than 68% of the scheduled tribe population lives outside these districts. Political relevance is a major challenge. Okay, political relevance is a major challenge that tribal politics in J&K faces. Community leaders, especially tribal youth, need to understand the significance of the tribal vote, which is a deciding factor in more than 18 seats in addition to the reserved ones. Okay. Tribal politics also has to address the political, social and economic empowerment of marginal tribes such as the Bakkarwal, Gaddis and Sippis, whose population is 1,13,198 and 46,486 and 5,999 respectively. It is very unlikely that these marginal tribes would be able to adequately represent themselves, but the major tribal groups, the Gujars, has to manifest their relationship, their aspirations, as well as share political space with them. Further, no development of any community is possible without the empowerment of the women. समझ गए? जिस समाज की महिलाएं शिक्षित हो, समाज का कभी भी विकास नहीं हो सकता है. दिस लाइन इज मेंशन हेयर. Okay, women have to play major role in tribal politics, and their participation and leadership has to be made feasible and suitability promoted. They have proven their leadership in District Development Council, also known as DDC, elections, and need to be strengthened further. Okay, so this is important. This was important article from here. Mid-year, with the suspension of the Table Tennis Federation, Indian players are left in limbo. Okay, and gaming and banning. Online gaming might be addictive, but a ban will militate against individual freedom is not important. Let's move to another. Why we need ventilation and air purifiers? क्यों नहीं? The importance of caste data important है. पल्लवी हुड्डा ने लिखा है, हरियाणा से बिलोंग कर रहे हैं आई थिंक. Data will help us determine who needs and does not need affirmative action and the effectiveness of such measures. Last month, the Supreme Court upheld the 27% quota for the other backward classes in the All India quota seats for the National Eligibility Entrance Test, and reiterated that reservation for backward classes were not an exception but an extension of the principle of equality under Article 15 first of the Constitution. समझ गए क्या मैंने बताया? मैंने बताया कि बैकवर्ड क्लासेस वर नॉट एन एक्सेप्शन बट एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इक्वलिटी. और अगर इस प्रकार के 75 अगर इस प्रकार की चीज़ें आ जाती हैं तो इसका मतलब ये है कि भारतीय संविधान में समानता का अधिकार जो है 15 के अंतर्गत, फर्स्ट के अंतर्गत उसका उल्लंघन करेगा। द जजमेंट हाईलाइटेड हाउ ओपन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम गिव द illusion of providing equal opportunity in ignorance of the widespread inequalities in educational facilities. The freedom to pursue such education and societal prejudices. The court pointed out how such disparities are no limited to the issue of access to good education or financial constraints alone, but also to the psychological and social effects. Inherited cultural capital communication, which ensures unconscious training upper caste children for high grade performance. The Constituent Assembly held a similar philosophy while introducing constitutional provisions which enable the government to make special provisions for the uplift of the lower caste. However, despite the underlying good intentions, positive discrimination has been a controversial topic. Many oppose affirmative actions like reservation. They believe that such provisions only perpetuate caste differences and they call for a casteless society. As Justice D.Y. Chandrachud pointed out, castelessness is a privilege that only the upper caste can afford because their caste privileges has already translated into social, political, economic capital. समझ गए? इसका फ़ायदा सिर्फ अपर कास्ट को ही मिलेगा क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो ट्रांसलेटेड हो चुका है. Okay. On the other hand, individual who belong to the lower states, lower caste must retain their caste identity in order to claim the benefits of measures such as the reservation which recognize historic harm, promises without justifiable data. समझ गए? But even for those who are conscious of these issues, it is hard to blindly trust for the state motivations because of the caste and class politics ruling our country today. Political parties often promises reservation for communities on being brought to power without any credible data collection exercises to justify the decision. Not long ago, the Supreme Court struck down the reservation for Maratha community in Maharashtra. In excess of 50%, which are the limits set in the Indira Sahini case, which is held hearing by Supreme Court in 1992, basis the historic case and the history of the reservation, particularly in other backward classes. While observing when more people aspire for backwardness instead of forwardness, the country itself stagnates, which situation is not in the across the constitutional objectives. समझ गए? Need for a credible exercise. Why credible exercise should be need? Against this backdrop, it can be said that faith of our citizens cannot be restored until credible exercises of data collection are undertaken regarding caste. Even though data concerning the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes have been included in the census, there is no similar data on OBC. The socio-economic and caste census, 2011 has been called faulty and unreliable. Even the Mandal Commission recommendation were criticized as being based merely on the personal acknowledge of the members of the commission and sample survey. In the Indira Sahini case, in the Supreme Court held that the states must conclude the backwardness of a particular class of people only after proper assessment and objective evaluation. It held that such a conclusion must be subject to periodic review by a permanent body of experts. The National Commission for Other Backward Classes, other backward classes in 1993 provide under section 11 that the central government may every 10 years revise list with a view of exclude those classes which have ceased to be backward and include in backwardness. बैकवर्ड कमीशन, राष्ट्रीय बैकवर्ड कमीशन 1993 ने इस प्रकार की जानकारी दी कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट को हर 10 साल केंद्र सरकार को हर 10 साल के बाद ये छांटना चाहिए कि किन लोगों को रिजर्वेशन की ज़रूरत है और किन लोगों को रिजर्वेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं, पर्टिकुलरली इन अदर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस। द एक्सरसाइज हैज़ नॉट बीन डन टू डेट, और आज तक कोई कार्य नहीं किया गया। लास्ट ईयर मैनी कॉल्स वर मेड फॉर द inclusion of the caste data including the data of the OBC in the 2021 census, and the matter reached the Supreme Court. However, the permanent took the stand out the 2000 socio-economic census flipped and is not usable since the census could not be undertaken in 2021 due to pandemic. It is set to take place in 2022. Caste data will enable independent research not only into the question of who does and who does not need affirmative action, but also into the effectiveness of the measures. As long as reservation results from violent agitations and political pressures, attempts at any affirmative action will as well be under the shadow of the caste and class politics. Impartial data and subsequent research might have saved the bona fide attempts of the uplift of the most backward classes from the shadow of the caste and class politics and been informative to people on both sides of the spectrum. For and against reservation, it is not reservation that creates the current divide in our society, but the misuse or the perceived misuse of reservation. बिल्कुल ठीक है। रिजर्वेशन हमारे देश में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक करंट डिवाइड नहीं है, करंट वर्तमान विभाजन ही नहीं, बल्कि एक मिस यूज प्रयोग जो इसके द्वारा किया जा रहा है, जो बार बार लोग रिजर्वेशन ले रहे हैं। स्टेट्स ऑफ अफेयर्स इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट। लोकल इलेक्शन, नेशनल इश्यूज, द कंपेयर टू द अर्बन बॉडी पोल्स इन तमिलनाडु हैज़ बीन अनयूजुअल इन मैनी वेज, नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट। Asuni quotes Congress says it lacks inspirational leadership. Party says those who do not have patience in an ideological battle will leave. बिल्कुल ठीक है। आशीष मिश्रा fulfills bail conditions released. CBI says look out circulars in rupees 22,842 crore bank fraud case. Anti-lynching bill passed by 4 states hanging fire. Delhi High Court upholds suspension of FCRA note for rights body. India may come under pressure on Russia. After Quad meeting last week, the Munich conference is likely to be dominated by the Ukraine situation. From father to son, Mao sees a generational shift. All things to all people, but fighting a losing cause. India to make digital map of all villages. कैसे? जरा slightly look. Updated guidelines to make it easier for surveys to be undertaken using drones, says minister. India plans to prepare digital map of all its 6 lakh villages, and pan-India 3D maps will be prepared for 100 cities. समझ गए? भारत अपने 6 लाख गांवों के लिए डिजिटल मैप की तैयारी कर रहा है। यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट्स फॉर साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी जितेंद्र सिंह said on Tuesday at an event to mark a year of the updated geospatial policy guidelines. An ongoing scheme, piloted by the Panchayati Raj Ministry called Somita, also known as Survey Village and Mapping Improved Technology in Village Areas, was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in April 2020. The updated guidelines help private companies prepare a variety of maps without needing approvals from a host of ministries and make it easier to use drones and develop applications via location mapping. The trinity of geospatial system, drone policy and unlocked space sector will the hallmark of the India's future economic progress. बिल्कुल ठीक है। सिंगर शांध्या मुखोपाध्याय passes away. Legendary Bengali singer Sandhya Mukhopadhyay passed in Kolkata on Tuesday after a brief illness. She was 90 years. समझ गए? Protests erupt in Kashmir over burning of poster. Youth clash with police. Stones hurl. Saudi commander briefed on India's defense capabilities. System developed indigenously but showcased. Where is the Ukraine crisis headed to? This is the major important article. Hong Kong says it is faces a tsunami of COVID-19 cases. समझ गए 10,000 पेशेंट्स ओके पेशेंट्स आर अवेटिंग एडमिशंस इनटू सिटीज हॉस्पिटल्स. Russia this has mobilized tens of thousands of troops and around Ukraine demands a halt of NATO's eastward expansion. In a televised address on Monday, Ukraine's President Vladimir Zelensky said had declared Wednesday. Discussed MSP urges Putin. MPs urges Putin to recognize Ukraine separatist regions. Ethiopia lift wartime state of emergency. Why? Ethiopia is an African country. Okay. Ethiopia's parliament on Tuesday lifted a state of emergency imposed last November when Tigrayan rebels threatened to advance on the capital. The foreign ministry said easing restrictions earlier than expected. The state of emergency was declared on November 2 after fighters from the Tigray People's Liberation, also known as TLF, seized two crucial towns about 400 kilometers from Addis Ababa. The measure triggered mass detentions of ethnic Tigrayans and Addis Ababa and elsewhere sparking condemnation from rights groups. It was not immediately clear if or when the people detained under the emergency decree would be released. Canada invokes emergency power to quell protests. Sensex rebounds 3% on signs Russia-Ukraine tensions easing. SEBI box back mandatory separation of chairperson MD. It cites poor compliance as factor to make norm voluntarily. IT sector to add 4.5 lakh jobs, see revenue growth 15.5%. More capital support to IDBI Bank may hurt LIC. January retail sales hit by curbs and 91% of the pre-pandemic levels. Great for the millionaires but awaited for unsold heroes and their fans. IPL related article is not important. Time for India to set up test and context. Questioning the ban on online gaming platforms is not most important. The fate of the Afghan reserves in the United States. What is the story so far? How is the US planning distribute Afghanistan's central bank funds which had earlier frozen with the Taliban have access? On February 11, US President Joe Biden signed an executive order declaring that the United States had frozen the Afghan reserve fund belonging to the Central Bank of Afghanistan. Will allow nearly $3.5 billion of that fund for the humanitarian needs of the Afghan people. That apart, he also opened the possibility that the US victims of terrorism will be considered for a part of the fund. The announcement has effectively blocked the Taliban administration in Kabul from assessing the funds. The Taliban has branded the moves as theft. A US Chinook helicopter flies over the city of Kabul as Taliban fighters entered in the outskirts of the capital on August 15, 2021 का नज़ारा है, देख लीजिए. चिनूक हेलीकॉप्टर ऊपर आसमान में उड़ रहा है. What is the US argument on taking control of the reserves? What is the source of Afghan funds in the US? What is the domestic situation of the Afghanistan? घरेलू स्थिति अफगानिस्तान की क्या है? The economic situation in Afghanistan crashed immediately in the aftermath of the takeover by the Taliban as supply lines were disrupted, okay, and inflation shot up prices across the country and unusual, okay, drought came an additional burden. As the revenue system inside the country collapsed, the Taliban administration found itself incapable proceeding along the lines as described in the February 29, 2020 agreement between the US and the Taliban delegation in Doha, Qatar. The Taliban-US agreement had envisaged that an Afghan Islamic government as determined by the intra-Afghan dialogue would be formed when Taliban joins the mainstream government. The US had places, okay, in that agreement will seek the international cooperation for the reconstruction of the Afghanistan, but in the view of the military takeover by Taliban, in the absence of any intra-Afghan dialogue, the agreement financial sections were not activated. However, Taliban has been demanding that the $9 billion belong to the Afghan people and the US should return to the money. What is the US argument on taking control of the reserves? Okay, what happened the Taliban's response? How were the reserves relevant for the victim of terrorism in US? What is gist of this article? On February 11, US President Joe Biden signed an executive order declaring that $7 billion of the frozen Afghan reserves will be used for the humanitarian needs of the Afghan people and for the compensating victims of the terrorism in the US. 11 फरवरी को अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति जो बाइडेन ने इस बात की घोषणा कर दी है कि अमेरिका में जितना धन है वो सब अफगानिस्तान में जितना धन है वो अफगानिस्तान के लोगों के कल्याण के लिए यूज़ किया जाएगा. After the Taliban takeover, the economic situation in Afghanistan crashed immediately as supply lines were disrupted and inflation shot up prices across the country. At the same time, at least $9 billion belonging to the Afghan was parked abroad in various countries. A group of 150 family members of the people killed in the 9/11 attacks, okay, sued Taliban and Al Qaeda in 2010. These families have urged the US government to allow them access to the funds. समझ गए? कुछ परिवारों के घरवाले, कुछ परिवारों के सदस्य 9/11 हमले में मारे गए थे. उनसे भी अमेरिका ने कुछ मदद लेने की गुहार लगाई है. द वाइट हाउस हैज सेड द ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ द फंड्स टू दीज फैमिलीज विल डिपेंड ऑन द कोर्ट ऑर्डर. और इनको कितना दिया जाएगा वो डिपेंड रहेगा कोर्ट के ऑर्डर पे. टेक्स्ट एंड क्वेश्चंस. एन इंडियन, ओके, कैप्टन नीमो is not most important. Exploiting the Chinese exit. In the absence of the Chinese tech, okay, the primary Indian IT objective must shift to providing for Indians. The gist, what is gist of this article? Only gist. Okay, the great internet ball of China, great internet ball of China built filters and sensors based on apps and content and insulated Chinese entrepreneurs from big tech Silicon Valley. This led to the home ground firms such as, okay, WeChat and Alibaba having a field day building apps, okay, that were distinctly tailored slowly of the Chinese market. The Chinese have, okay, US research especially in the components of the neutral networks. Okay, if we can create hyper local and hyper regional services of high quality and great accessibility that are, okay, portable across our linguistic diversity, we are likely to succeed in creating one of the strongest internet markets in the world. समझ गए? अगर हमको पूरा इंटरनेट की तरह गांव-गांव पहुंचाना है तो हमको बेहतरीन इंटरनेट, ओके, एक्सेस अपने गांव के विलेज के लिए प्रोवाइड करना होगा. Chinese lead the fundamental focus of the new digital products, okay, that plan to emerge. The growing market should be provide for the hyper regional necessity and preferences. It is hyper local, hyper regional. Okay, this concludes for the discussion. So thanks for watching.